My name is Robert Seik. I'm a compounding pharmacist. I own Partell Specialty Pharmacy. There are actually two compounding pharmacies located in Las Vegas, Nevada. We specialize in compounded therapy for hormone replacement, nutritional medicine. We also specialize in diet modification and healthy living. I joined A4M because of the fellowship. Upon purchasing a compounding pharmacy, I realized that there was quite a need for information on integrative approaches to treat disease. And there was a need for physicians to have a resource, for the public, the patients to have a knowledge resource. And that's what I really like about being a pharmacist, is trained as a treatment consultant. So I joined the fellowship program and have studied for several years now. And all of the things that I learn, I do apply in my day-to-day work now, which is basically employing the collaborative approach with physicians for their patients to have a more functional perspective on what treatments are available. That could include the bioidentical hormone therapy. It's a big part of compounding pharmacy. Also the injectable or intravenous nutritionals that we process in our sterile products lab, to the over-the-counter nutritionals that are available from many great companies that are also associated with the fellowship. Owning a pharmacy in the 21st century has been remade by the business of compounding, and most of that compounding is done for bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. So, of course, just like most compounding pharmacies, we make products, capsules, gels. We're particularly fond of the hormone replacement by pellet implant. We do make a fair number of pellets and actually offer a training course on hormone replacement by pellet implantation. As far as nutritional therapies, there's various concentrations of injectables or intravenous nutritionals that we have available, and that also transfers over to the high-quality supplements that we're proud to carry in our pharmacies. And I make those recommendations for physicians and for their patients because a comprehensive approach seems to be working very, very well for patients that are asking about hormone therapy, and it's the complement of nutrition and appropriate diet is a critical issue. The functional approach really helps patients with the metabolic syndrome. There's a lot that can be done with nutritionals to address insulin resistance, to address the glycemic load or glycemic burden associated with their typical diet. That's where diet modification is employed. And beyond that, we start to adjust treatments that can help their energy level, their sleep, and all of this is the functional approach. It's actually the traditional dispensing pharmacies, the common retail chains, where I would see so many different drugs being prescribed that really drove an awareness in me of the more functional and integrative approaches, the need for them. And in fact, we spend a lot of time working with physicians and their patients on dramatically decreasing the prescription drug utilization by modifying diet. That's really primary. By adding targeted nutritionals, often hormone therapy. This has really helped to reduce that pill burden, the drug burden, because one of the issues is one prescription drug may lead to the depletion of an important nutrient. That may cause a side effect, which adds on another drug, which could lead to the depletion of another nutrient. And that's a pattern we want to avoid. With two compounding pharmacies, each of the laboratories adheres to what we call the USP, or US Pharmacopoeia guidelines. There's a code for sterile and a code for non-sterile compounding, and we hold licenses in several states. Of course, our home state of Nevada, as both pharmacies are based in Las Vegas, but we're also licensed in many other states, including California, Florida, Texas, Oklahoma. For more information, you can go to our website. It's partellpharmacy.com. I also run a companion site, revitapel.com, which contains numerous resources on hormone replacement by pellet implant. Our contact information is listed on the website, so please feel free to reach out to us.